Frisco window installation services are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Whether you need window frame installation or window glass replacement, our expert technicians in Frisco are equipped to handle all your window installation needs. In addition to windows, we also provide replacement doors Frisco homeowners trust for durability and style. We specialize in Frisco vinyl windows and offer comprehensive solutions to ensure your windows are in top condition. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for any modern home, and Frisco is no exception. Our selection of energy-efficient windows in Frisco includes double-pane windows and custom windows designed to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Upgrade your home with Frisco window upgrades that enhance both style and efficiency. Window installation in Frisco is a breeze with our professional services. We offer a wide range of window styles, including sliding windows, bay windows, and casement windows, to suit any architectural design. Our Frisco window installation team ensures a perfect fit and finish for every project. Frisco window sealing and window caulking are crucial for preventing drafts and improving insulation. Our Frisco window insulation services help maintain a comfortable indoor environment while reducing energy bills. Trust our experts for all your Frisco window maintenance needs to keep your windows performing at their best. Enhance your home's aesthetics with Frisco window treatments and window blinds. Our selection includes a variety of window shutters, window screens, and window tinting options to match your style preferences. Frisco window hardware and window safety features are also available to ensure your windows are both beautiful and secure. Frisco door installation and replacement services complement our window offerings. Whether you need energy-efficient doors in Frisco or custom door solutions, we provide top-quality products and expert installation. Our Frisco door replacement services ensure your home is both stylish and functional. Window cleaning in Frisco is made easy with our professional services. Regular window cleaning not only improves the appearance of your home but also extends the life of your windows. Our Frisco window cleaning team uses the latest techniques to deliver spotless results every time. For those looking to enhance their home's curb appeal, Frisco bay window installation and Frisco casement windows are excellent choices. These window styles add character and charm to any home, while also providing additional natural light and ventilation. Our Frisco window styles cater to a variety of tastes and preferences. Frisco sliding doors are a popular choice for homeowners seeking a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Our sliding doors in Frisco are designed for durability and ease of use, making them a practical addition to any home. We also offer professional installation of replacement doors Frisco residents rely on for enhanced security and curb appeal. Pair them with our Frisco window screens for added convenience and comfort. Window maintenance in Frisco is essential for prolonging the life of your windows and ensuring optimal performance. Our comprehensive Frisco window maintenance services include everything from window sealing to window hardware adjustments. Keep your windows in top shape with our expert care. Frisco window installation services are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your residential windows in Frisco. Whether you need window glass replacement or window frame installation, our expert team is ready to assist. We specialize in Frisco vinyl windows and offer comprehensive solutions for window sealing and window caulking to ensure your windows are energy efficient and well insulated. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our selection of double-pane windows and custom windows in Frisco provides excellent insulation and noise reduction. With Frisco window insulation and window maintenance services, you can enjoy a more comfortable home environment year-round. Frisco window upgrades can transform the look and feel of your home. From sliding windows to bay windows and casement windows, we offer a variety of window styles to suit your needs. Our Frisco window styles and window hardware options allow you to customize your windows for both aesthetics and functionality. Window treatments, such as window blinds and window shutters, add a touch of elegance and privacy to your home. Our Frisco window treatments and window screens are designed to enhance your living space while providing protection from the elements. Consider window tinting for added UV protection and energy efficiency. Frisco door installation and replacement services complement our window offerings. Energy-efficient doors in Frisco are available to match your new windows, ensuring a cohesive look and improved energy performance. Our Frisco sliding doors and replacement doors Frisco options are perfect for modernizing your home. Window safety is a top priority for homeowners. Our Frisco window safety solutions include window hardware and window screens to keep your family safe. Regular window cleaning and window maintenance are crucial for preserving the appearance and functionality of your windows. Frisco custom windows are tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for unique window styles or specific window hardware, our team can create the perfect solution for your home. Frisco window shutters and window blinds offer additional customization options for your windows. Window glass replacement and window frame installation are vital for maintaining the longevity of your windows. Our Frisco window installation services ensure that your windows remain in top condition. With Frisco window caulking and window sealing, you can prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Frisco bay window installation and Frisco casement windows add architectural interest and natural light to your home. Along with our window services, we install replacement doors. Frisco homeowners choose to upgrade both appearance and functionality. Our Frisco window upgrades and window styles provide endless possibilities for enhancing your home's curb appeal. Trust our experts for all your Frisco window needs.